Frankfurt!
Woohoo! Whoa! Watch out for that flying robotic skunk! Wait, what?
I didn't know Frankfurt could fly.
He can now. Much better than Whirly. Except he can't steer or stop, and I don't know how to get him down. But aside from that, he's an awesome flyer.
We could help you, Frankie.
I've got it all under control. But if you really feel like you have to help, I'll let you. He's flying away. I'm gonna lose him. Got another idea yet?
Not quite.
How about now?
Not yet.
How about now?
Yes! The Whirly Jet 5000!
Woohoo!
Hop in, Frankie.
So we're staying pretty close to the ground, right?
All right, Whirly. Prepare for takeoff. 3, 2, 1, jet!
Whoa! Now swoop back up. Let's kick it into high gear.
Woohoo!
Almost there.
The propeller broke. He's going to crash.
No, he's not.
Woohoo! Yay!
Frankfurt, you're okay. I never knew I would be so happy to see Toast. I missed you, Stinky.
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.